Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone?
Hello everyone, welcome back to Almighty Blues Cricket. Yes, I am back. हाँ, sorry इतने दिनों तक मैं नहीं था. Obviously काफी reasons है.
नहीं, मुझे मजाक नहीं उड़वाना अपनी चीज का. मैं नहीं बताऊंगा.
First of all यार, yes, हम ज़्यादा RCB का कवर कर रहे थे in the past, लेकिन yes, I had promised as we had covered in the T20 World Cup हम cover करेंगे Indian cricket भी, और we will be covering for sure. आप assured रहिए. Everyone out there who has still subscribed, hopefully you will get a lot more content in the coming days. लेकिन आज तो यार आना ही था, एक अच्छा बहाना था. और certainly I would like to say thank you all everyone जो भी हमें सपोर्ट कर रहा है अभी तक, not only to Almighty Blues Cricket but most importantly Almighty Blues FC. हाँ, इसीलिए एक चेल्सी जर्सी भी है बैकग्राउंड में. Like some of you may be knowing, Almighty Blues FC have finally reached 1K mark and it's just the beginning. अभी सिर्फ शुरुआत है, अभी काफी लंबा रोड है. Hopefully आप सब who are watching certainly subscribe to Almighty Blues FC as well. The link will be in the description below. लेकिन more importantly now we need Almighty Blues Cricket to be functioning. So everyone out there who's coming from Almighty Blues FC as well, do subscribe to Almighty Blues Cricket. And even if not, and yes, like I always say, we will be kind of alternating between Hindi and English streams depending on the audience. So feedback we are always open to. DM us. The social links are below as well. लेकिन आज क्यों आना था? Yes, breaking news, not so breaking as of now, लेकिन हाँ, certainly fake news जो is close to my heart in terms of Virat Kohli. Yes, RCB का ex-captain, Indian cricket captain and now ex-captain as well, क्योंकि he has announced that he will no longer be the test captain of India as well after already one days में और T20s में नहीं है, तो now he is no longer the captain of Indian cricket in any format. Comment below, what do you all think? Generally, is it a good thing to be in terms of Indian cricket in the longer picture कि आप चाहते कि यार विराट कोहली definitely is the man for the future as well because he is fit as a fiddle. हाँ, as a batsman इतना अच्छा फॉर्म नहीं रहा है as per the last few years, but we know it's Virat Kohli and his form is just form, right? Class is permanent, like they say. Well, talking about Virat Kohli, about captaincy, just to share my views, मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगा, my personal opinion is कि ये probably एक right समय था. हाँ, I know वो controversial statement है. He is by far, and I mean by far the best captain that India has ever had in Test cricket. और हम काफी दफा just as fans, have a soft corner or a softer corner for people from the yesteryears. और वो especially with Almighty Blues आप देखे होंगे, nostalgia is something that we always cherish. हाँ, fantastic, we should cherish that. लेकिन हम overlook करते हैं the fact that यार recently I think Virat Kohli got us first of all to number 1 test ranking. I think it was in 2016 और फिर 2016 से लेकर 2020 almost 4 years non-stop India were top of the test rankings, ICC rankings. और टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप्स में भी अगर होता उस समय तो वी probably would have won even in the ICC टेस्ट वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप that I'm talking about अभी. Yes, there is a debate saying that कोविड के कारण जो रूल्स बदले गए थे that was not in India's favor and इंडिया को ज़्यादा लड़ना पड़ा towards the end to reach that final and maybe that was why that हम इतना दे चुके थे and then that gap that was there and then we were playing overseas conditions में that test championship. Not really, we can say that it was our cup of tea for a one-off test match. Yes, format आप बोल सकते हो, yes, at the same time बोल सकते हो कि no matter what, the best test championship side should be beating any team on any day, on any 5 days. So वो सब चीज़ है, लेकिन यार विराट कोहली got us to that. Let's be honest. And उसी समय we had a lot of changes in Indian cricket. Remember, Ravi Shastri had taken over a few years back as well. The Anil Kumble saga that Virat Kohli had. I personally disagreed with Virat Kohli at the time, honestly speaking. Lekin he took over the transitional phase and mentored so many people. Like, trust me, it's not just the batting and the way they approach, the energy that Virat Kohli brings in the field. Lekin even in terms of looks and the fitness part of it, right? The team looks up to Virat Kohli. और वो reason था क्योंकि विराट कोहली कैप्टन थे और ऐसे ही कोई कैप्टन नहीं थे. He was probably the best batsman in the world उस दौरान. By the way, as Indian Test captain, he got 20 centuries, 20 century and 7 double centuries. That's some record, by the way. And I said the most successful Indian Test captain ever, and in Test history overall as well, he's fourth in Test history. Test cricket itni purani hai, come on. So just behind legends like Graham Smith, Test legend for sure, Ricky Ponting, Steve Waugh, such captains के पीछे in terms of Test wins, successful, right? Not just number of wins, the percentage right up there in terms of percentage of wins. आप बोल सकते हो काफी मैचेस घर में थे यार, घर में मैचेस काउंट नहीं होंगे? Please tell me, घर में मैचेस काउंट होंगे definitely, right? He won what? I think 24 test matches, yes, at home, and that's fantastic, and won every home series and away. वो एक एग्जाम्पल रहेगा इन ईयर्स, इन डेकेड्स टू कम इंडियन क्रिकेट के लिए, जो बाहर टेस्ट मैचेस जिताने, और नॉट जस्ट टेस्ट मैचेस, ये सौरव गांगुली वुड प्रॉब्ली टेक दोस प्लॉडेट्स, लेकिन टेस्ट सीरीज विक्ट्री जिताने का श्रेय जाता है विराट कोहली. यू कैन से अकेले उन पर नहीं, बट ही वॉज द मेन कॉज. दैट फाइटिंग एबिलिटी, दैट एग्रेशन, वो नीडेड है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में स्पेशली. एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया का सीरीज बात करते हुए, वो एक सीरीज 2018-19 we finally won a test series in Australia. Like these things will never go away. It has been basically put history में दाग दिया है विराट कोहली ने, वो कभी नहीं जाने वाला. And what I was saying कि क्यों ये अच्छा है कि विराट कोहली is resigning from test captaincy अभी, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट 1-2 साल में इंडिया हार्डली ओवरसीज खेल रही है, and it can be a great time to mold someone else. At the same time, विराट कोहली जो फॉर्म में इतने अच्छे नहीं कर रहे हैं, can focus on batting, right? And basically be the spearhead in terms of Indian batting. And that is what I would require, क्योंकि सचिन तेंदुलकर, yes, he was not a great captain, you can say, compared to Virat Kohli, of course. लेकिन, of course, he is the greatest batsman ever for me. Like, honestly, like, विराट कोहली अभी ये मौका है to go to that level. Yes, he's probably reached there is what आप बोलोगे, लेकिन in test cricket for me, he can go to that level as well. Like, वो एक temperament है, that's something that he needs to build, and he needs calm mind and maybe more time. And this is the time that he'll get some time, क्योंकि yes, lot of matches at home, he's probably going to be scoring runs left, right, center, वो हमें चाहिए. और आप नहीं बोल सकते कि हमें होम टेस्ट मैचेस इवन एज बैट्समैन फॉर एनीवन शुड नॉट काउंट. क्यों? It's not easy to play those spinners in Indian pitches. We know that. And Virat Kohli himself बहुत criticism ले चुके हैं. And this is the time that he wants to prove maybe. So yeah, as in, of course, Rahul Dravid नहीं थे तो there would have been a lot of plans for Indian cricket about Virat Kohli, और ये मौका था. Rohit Sharma would have been the white ball captain, Virat Kohli would have been the test captain. लेकिन यार, I know that Rahul Dravid must have spoken Virat Kohli से and vice versa. And as per reports, उन्होंने किया भी है. और someone of his nature, if he kind of agrees, hopefully they both agreed and they came to a conclusion. Along with, I'm sure Virat Kohli would have spoken to a lot more people. Yes, the way it has happened, a lot of drama वो हमेशा होता है विराट कोहली के साथ, and that is Indian cricket for you. आप उसके बगैर नहीं रह सकते. You have to basically accept that कि वो आएगा ही. So I don't think Virat Kohli and his camp should be इतने bothered, and I'm hoping that उसके लिए नहीं basically विराट कोहली ने resignation दिया, and it is purely due to his cricketing ambitions. Let's be honest, right? And of course his mindset, what is he saying, right? वो ज़्यादा important है. But yes, talking about कौन next now. Of course, Test Championship is what I'll be talking about, because वो एक दाग रहेगा, that final that we lost under Virat Kohli. Unfortunately, we have to accept that as well. और certain negatives about Virat Kohli, as Gautam Gambhir ने बोला था recently about him being over aggressive at times, not a great example in terms of vocal ability, what he shows sometimes, which is going over the hurdle, as I would say. लेकिन at the same time, this new captain जो भी आएगा will be under Virat Kohli. इसका leadership group will be the same. So I don't see इतना different होने वाला है. लेकिन वो नया captain होगा कौन? Like I would say अभी भी कि it is still the continuation of the same phase that Indian cricket was in the last few months. और वो था कि Rohit Sharma will be the test captain, the white ball captain, and maybe Virat Kohli or someone else will be the test captain. Mainly someone else ही होगा. आई नो रोहित शर्मा वाइस कैप्टन चुने गए थे, प्रॉब्ली जो होने वाला है कि रोहित शर्मा बनेंगे टेस्ट कैप्टन. लेकिन ये वो एक फैंटास्टिक एक्सक्यूज अगेन है फॉर अस टू गो विद द प्लान दैट मे बी वी आर गोइंग विद. दैट्स व्हाट मैं सोचा था एटलीस्ट. I would say a left field choice, a couple of choices. Again, comment below what do you all think. मेरे लिए कैप्टेंसी के अगर बात करें तो समवन who's really calm टेस्ट क्रिकेट चाहिए, समवन who's really shrewd, जो आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स सोच सके और ब्रेव, at the same time should be commanding respect as a player, lot more respect, and I'm sure Virat Kohli did, lot of others did. For me, that player who can be groomed is Shreyas Iyer. Certainly, Shreyas Iyer is that person. हम देखे थे, yes, इंजरी हुआ था उन्हें recently, and that is why maybe he was in and out of the side. And in T20s as well in the IPL, लेकिन in Test cricket we need the time, and he has the temperament for me. The mind game, he is a student of the mind. और another left field choice I say Mayank Agarwal. Yes, opener है, too much pressure for him. KL Rahul आप बोलेंगे why not? He has been touted recently. KL Rahul doesn't command that kind of voice for me. At the same time, हम देखे हैं that it can affect his mental ability as well. I know he's still learning, but for me he's simply not having that voice. Let's get to that persona that Indian cricket captain requires. I know that it's reading too much into the body language, लेकिन I know as a matter of fact Mayank Agarwal वो student of the mind है. He does a lot of meditation, and someone like that who also is basically in the form of his life, मेरे ख्याल से काफी अच्छा ऑप्शन है उन्हें वाइस कैप्टन बनाने का, नॉट कैप्टन बाय द वे. कैप्टन फॉर मी वुड बी श्रेयस अय्यर इज व्हाट आई वुड से. अच्छा, टोटली डिफरेंट चॉइस मैं बोलूं, अगर आप स्टॉप गैप चाहते हो, नॉट फॉर द फ्यूचर अंटिल ये लोग तैयार हो, मे बी एट डोमेस्टिक लेवल, मे बी IPL लेवल इन टर्म्स ऑफ कैप्टनसी जनरली, तो नॉट रोहित शर्मा, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू पुट इतना प्रेशर ऑन द टेस्ट कैप्टनसी इज वेल. प्लस रोहित शर्मा इज नॉट बीन अ टेस्ट प्लेयर फॉर लाइक अ लास्ट डेकेड. इफ अगर स्टॉप गैप ही आप चुन रहे हो तो एक एक्सपीरियंस प्लेयर के साथ जाएंगे. और द श्रूडेस्ट ऑफ माइंड जो आप बोल सकते हो इंडियन क्रिकेट में अभी करंट प्लेइंग लेवल में, इट हैज टू बी अश्विन. इट विल प्रोलॉन्ग हिज करियर. एक अच्छा मौका है. द लेजेंड ऑफ इंडियन स्पिन क्रिकेट इन टर्म्स ऑफ बॉलिंग एंड श्रूड माइंड इज एन अंडरस्टेटमेंट अश्विन के लिए. तो वी हैव नॉट यूटिलाइज्ड हिम इनफ इन इंडियन क्रिकेट. So these are my options. What are your options? And what do you think about Virat Kohli, resigning overall? क्या सही था, गलत था? क्या उन्होंने basically media pressure, board pressure से आकर ये किया है because of the South African loss? Of course, the only captain to have won 2 Boxing Day tests. Wow, that's Asian Test captain, right? As in, wow, what a record, right? As in twice 4 overseas Test victories in a year. Those kind of records. So I think he's leaving a brilliant legacy, और वो उसको स्पॉइल नहीं करना चाहेंगे. एंड वन अनफिनिश्ड बिजनेस इज द इंग्लैंड सीरीज. यस, इंग्लैंड सीरीज 2-1 से हम लीड कर रहे हैं एंड 1 टेस्ट मैच इज रिमेनिंग, रिमेंबर, एंड दैट कैन बी हिस्टोरिक. एंड विराट कोहली को मिलना चाहिए वो भी क्रेडिट अ लॉट. आई होप दैट हैपेंस. लेकिन अब ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट फेज. होपफुली वी हैव अ ग्रेट फेज ऑफ इंडियन क्रिकेट एंड विराट कोहली विल सर्टनली बी हियर टू स्टे एज अ बैट्समैन both for India and RCB is what I'm hoping. Till next time, take care. We'll be back very soon, hopefully for the one day series, or even more importantly for the upcoming auctions. And please subscribe kariye free of cost. Hit that bell notification icon, not just to Almighty Blues Cricket but to Almighty Blues FC. And yes, we have not been so frequent. We will be much more frequent here as well. Lekin Almighty Blues FC ke liye thanks as we cross 1000 subscribers. Long way to go. And till next time, take care, because yes, COVID is still not gone.